Hello, students. Today I'm going to talk about femoral triangle in this video. So femoral triangle, as the name indicates, that it is a triangle, but this triangle is inverted one. Its base is directed upwards and its apex is directed downwards. So it is present in the upper medial part of the thigh. So the boundaries of femoral triangle are very easy and very important to remember because it has got certain contents or structures which are actually present in the femoral triangle region, and these are femoral vessels, which are femoral artery, femoral vein, then femoral nerve and femoral sheath, everything. So here you can see that actually here one part is missing in this animation, and that is inguinal ligament. Actually inguinal ligament, it spans between the anterior superior iliac spine, here it is anterior superior iliac spine, then pubic tubercle. So actually femoral triangle spans between these two structures. So that is missing. So you have to imagine the inguinal ligament present here between anterior superior iliac spine and pubic tubercle. So this is called inguinal ligament, and this inguinal ligament actually forms the base of the femoral triangle. It actually forms the base of the femoral triangle. So its base is directed upwards, whereas its apex is directed downwards. Base is directed upwards, apex is directed downwards. So it's a inverted triangle. Femoral triangle is an inverted triangle. So lateral boundary of the femoral triangle is being formed by the sartorius muscle, medial border of the sartorius muscle. Now this is the sartorius muscle. Here you can see this muscle, strap like thin, this is sartorius muscle. This sartorius muscle gets originated from the anterior superior iliac spine along with the inguinal ligament. So inguinal ligament spans between the anterior superior iliac spine and pubic tubercle, whereas this sartorius muscle, it gets origin from the anterior superior iliac spine and it moves downward and crosses the anterior spectral thigh and comes medially, and it gets inserted into the anterior and medial part of the tibia along with two other muscles which are called gracilis muscle and semitendinosus muscle. All of these three structures, they form pes and serenus here. So again, this medial border of the sartorius bounds the femoral triangle laterally, whereas medial border of the femoral triangle is being formed by the adductor longus. Here this is adductor longus. So lateral boundary is formed by the medial border of the sartorius, and medial border is formed by the medial border of the adductor longus, whereas floor of the muscle, it is formed by two of the femoral triangle is formed by two muscles. Laterally it is formed by the pectineus. But I call this muscle pectineus, and why I call this muscle pectineus, for a reason, because this is a hybrid muscle. Two pectineus, actually it has got two nerves which are supplying it, so dual nerve supply, whereas floor is bounded laterally by the psoas muscle. Here you can see the psoas and iliacus muscle. So psoas muscle and iliacus muscle, actually they form a conjoined tendon which is called iliopsoas. So this laterally floor is formed by the iliopsoas and medially formed by the pectineus, and lateral border is formed by the medial border of the sartorius, and medial border is formed by the medial border of the adductor longus muscle. Base is formed by the inguinal ligament, whereas apex is formed by where this lateral border and medial border, they meet each other. Here it is the apex. and at this apex starts erector canal, starts here. Erector canal or subsartorial canal or Hunter's canal. Subsartorial because this canal is present below the sartorius muscle. Hunter was a French surgeon, French or British surgeon, who used to operate upon aneurysm, which is called popliteal aneurysm, and he used to tie the popliteal vessel, femoral vessels here in this Hunter canal. So that's why this is called Hunter canal as well. So this was about the boundaries of femoral triangle. Thank you very much.